Good day everyone. Today I will share what I learned about Interpol. Interpol, or the International Criminal Police Organization, was founded in 1923 in Austria as the International Criminal Police Commission. Its main purpose is to help police forces from different countries work together to fight crime internationally. However, during World War II, the organization was affected when it came under the control of the Nazi Germany. After the war ended in 1945, Interpol was reorganized and continued its mission with a new headquarters in France, which is now located in Lyon. Today, Interpol has 195 member countries, making it one of the largest international organizations in the world. It helps countries share information and coordinate efforts against crime like terrorism, human trafficking, and cybercrime. One important function of Interpol is issuing international notice. This notice helps countries share information about criminal and threats. Yellow notice helps find missing person. A blue notice gather more information about suspect, and black notice is to identify unknown bodies. There are also green notice for warning about dangerous criminals and orange notice for threats like bombs or hazardous materials. Lastly, Interpol has a structured organized that includes the General Assembly, Executive Committee, General Secretariat, and National Central Bureaus, which all work together to ensure global cooperation. In conclusion, I learned that Interpol plays a very important role in maintaining global safety by connecting police forces around the world and helping them fight crime more effectively. That's all. Thank you.